Understanding average body measurements and psychology. In human psychology, one of the most common sources of insecurity is the belief that our bodies must meet a certain, perfect, standard. This is especially true when it comes to private physical characteristics that people rarely talk about openly. Because of silence, myths and exaggerated claims often spread much faster than facts. Health researchers and medical professionals have conducted many studies to understand average human body measurements. These studies are important because they help people replace unrealistic expectations with accurate scientific information. When scientists analyze large groups of people, they usually find that most bodies fall within a normal range rather than matching one exact number. This means that differences between individuals are completely natural. Genetics, age, overall health, and even environmental factors can influence how the human body develops. From a psychological point of view, the biggest issue is not the measurement itself, it is how people think about it. Social comparison plays a powerful role in shaping self-esteem. When individuals compare themselves to unrealistic standards shown in media or online content, they may start to believe that they are somehow inadequate. Psychologists often call this phenomenon the comparison trap. It happens when a person focuses too much on perceived differences instead of recognizing that variation is normal. For example, a person might say, "I used to worry about whether I was normal, but learning about scientific averages helped me feel more confident." This sentence reflects a key psychological truth: knowledge reduces anxiety. When people learn accurate information about the human body, they often realize that many of their fears were based on misunderstanding rather than reality. Another important factor is emotional connection. Research in relationship psychology consistently shows that communication, trust, and emotional intimacy play a much larger role in satisfaction and healthy relationships than physical measurements alone. Consider this sentence: confidence, kindness, and emotional connection often matter far more than physical statistics. This idea is supported by many studies in human behavior. People tend to remember how someone makes them feel rather than focusing on physical details. Health educators also emphasize that self-acceptance is essential for mental well-being. When individuals respect their own bodies and stop chasing unrealistic ideals, they often experience greater confidence and reduced stress. Learning the facts can be empowering. It reminds us that the human body is incredibly diverse, and that diversity is perfectly normal. Instead of worrying about comparisons, psychologists encourage people to focus on overall health, self-respect, and positive relationships.